New trend in TikTok about losing weight using rice water is now trending, and I think everyone is trying to make videos to go viral. But is it true? For me, I don't think it's really working because it's not something sustainable, because they are saying that this rice water will reduce anger and you will not eat much. So instead of just focusing on this kind of trends, make sure that you have a diet plan, and you can check one of them in the link in description that I've been using to lose weight. You cannot just follow the trends. During COVID, I lost a lot of weight because I was drinking lime water, but after some time I had stomach issues. So I will advise anyone out there, instead of using these trending things online, better have a diet plan that you can follow. And if you want a diet plan that I'm following, you can check out the link in description to get to understand the kind of foods that you need to take in order to lose weight, and it's sustainable and long term. So rice water or rice sembic, I don't think it really works for a long time. So if you want something sustainable, you better look for a long-term thing, like focusing on your diet and some exercise. Walk. I don't usually go to the gym, but I take some walk after eating. I just take some walk, ride a bike, and that's it. That's all you need. Stop following these trendy things about weight loss. Focus on eating healthy and having a diet plan to follow.